some soap, Ozone soap. I'm going to give this to my pastor at church. There it is. Hopefully you can see. It's hefty. It's super sturdy. It's like semi-hard. Cool, huh? Okay, so let's open it. And so we have 3 signatures: light background, antiqued, and then this is what the first signature looks like. This is what the second signature looks like. This is what the third signature looks like. Really cool, huh? The doily stained onto there. That's nice, huh? I have a guest star today because I needed some help. Okay, here we go. So here are some of the pages. I'm just gonna kind of flip through. There's a little map here. I'm gonna leave that open because I gotta trim it. And that's the nice thing, is you can go back through and just kind of clean up things. Nice tab. Same to match the outside of the book. Stamping throughout. Look at these. How cute that is. And these little tags, and it has extra paper. Now I put a surprise in here, so there's coloring pages and there's also crosswork. So you got to find the other side. Okay, so this is number 2. Signature 2, same thing. That's number 2. Look at that. It looks like leather. Isn't that amazing? And then the last one, and it's about the almost identical, but just a little flavor, different music, lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of writing area. And these, authentically, they still take tons of time because I tea dye all the paper. I might leave like one little sheet here or there that's just from the puzzles or something like that. But that's the journal. What do you think? Good stuff. Okay, she's gonna be blessed. It's ready for travel. She can do crosswords and color. It's gorgeous. Look at that. God did amazing. There we go. Thanks for joining us. Ocean.